Excuse me.
Hi there.
Can you help me, please?
Of course. How can I help?
I think I'm lost.
Oh, okay. Where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for the movie theater.
Ah, yes. I know where that is.
Is it far?
No, not very far. It's on the second floor.
Okay, how do I get there?
See that escalator over there?
Oh, yes, I see it.
Take the escalator up.
Up the escalator.
Then, turn left.
Turn left, got it.
The movie theater is right there, next to the food court.
Great, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
Hi, I need to mail this package, please.
Sure. Is it to the US or international?
To Chicago. How much will it cost?
Let me weigh it. $12.50 for standard shipping.
Okay. How long will it take?
About 5 days. Want tracking? It's $2 extra.
Yes, please. Can I pay by card?
Of course. Insert your card here. All set. Here's your receipt and tracking number.
Thanks. Oh, do you sell stamps too?
Yes, how many do you need?
Just 5, please, for postcards.
Here you go. That'll be $3.50 total.
Thanks again. One last thing.
Yes?
Where's the drop box for letters?
Right outside the door. The blue one.
Perfect. Have a nice day.
You too. Next. Hi there.
Oh, hi.
Is everything okay?
No, not really. I have a problem.
What's wrong?
I have a flat tire, see?
Oh, I see. That's no fun.
I know. I don't know what to do.
Don't worry. I can help you.
Really? That is so nice of you.
No problem. Do you have a spare tire?
Yes, I think so. It's in the back.
In the trunk?
Yes, in the trunk.
Okay. And do you have the tools? A jack?
The tools are there too.
Great. Let's take a look.
Is it hard to do?
Not too hard. I'm almost finished.
Wow, that was fast.
Okay. All done. Your new tire is on.
Thank you. You are a lifesaver.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help.
Please, Let me give you some money.
No, it's okay, really.
Thank you again. Have a great day.
You too. Drive safe.
I will. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, honey, can you help me cook dinner?
Sure. What are we making?
Spaghetti and salad. It's easy.
Okay. Where do we start?
First, boil some water for the pasta.
How much water do we need?
Fill the pot halfway. That's enough.
Got it. What's next?
Now chop some vegetables for the salad.
I'm not good at chopping.
Don't worry, just cut them like this.
Okay, I'll try. Is this right?
Yes, perfect. Now put them in the bowl.
Should I add salt to the water?
Yes, just a little, about a teaspoon.
The water is boiling now.
Good. Put the pasta in carefully.
How long does it need to cook?
About 10 minutes. Stir it sometimes.
What about the sauce?
We can heat it in the microwave.
Great. This is actually fun.
See, cooking isn't so hard.
You're right. I should help more often.
I'd love that. Dinner's almost ready.
Smells delicious. I'm hungry.
Hey, Tom.
Hey, Sarah. Oh no.
Oops, my coffee. It's all over the carpet.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, but look at this mess. What do I do?
Don't worry. It happens.
But the carpet, it's a big stain.
It's okay. I'll ask the office cleaner to help.
Oh, really? We can do that.
Yes, of course. They have special tools for the carpet.
Oh, thank you, Tom. That's a great idea.
No problem. I'll go find him now.
Thanks again.
You're welcome. Do you want another coffee?
Oh, yes, please. That's very nice of you.
Sure. Milk and sugar?
Just milk, please. Thank you.
No problem. I'll make it now.